The SOWIT mobile application allows you to optimize your operations and inputs by regularly analyzing the state of health of your plot. SOWATER, an irrigation management solution, allows you to adjust your irrigation times based on precise weather and vegetation data. It's very easy. Start by selecting the plot of your interest and visualize the state of health of your vegetation. To order SOWATER, fill in the parameters of your irrigation network and get the daily water needs of your irrigation sectors one by one. The needs are based on the analysis of your irrigation sector and, in particular, on the crop coefficient and the evapotranspiration of your crop. Receive recommendations directly on your phone and control your irrigation. With SOWATER, you can make sure your water intake is in line with international standards. Throughout the season, benefit from precise weather data and receive alerts directly on your phone related to weather events such as frost or hot winds. Download on Play Store. SOWIT. Unleash the potential of your land.